I guess you must have come across images such as this. Well, this is the real photo. We simply put, this very image art you're seeing here is generated from this. This is called Ghibli image art. I hope you must have come across them on social media profiles, and yes, you've been looking for ways to create yours. That's what I'll be showing you right to do in this video. We are going to create this image for free. Yes, I'll simply put, I'll be showing you how to create Ghibli image such as this for free using ChatGPT. So in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, Chibuzago is my name, and of course the technology related channel is a how-to channel. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial video. It's a tutorial based channel. We simply put, I teach you how to do things all by yourself. Once I come across anything I think will be useful for my audience, of course I'll come up here, put a video, and of course show you how to do that. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be jumping into it, show you how to create image as much as this for free. You can use other AI tools to generate this, but of course in this video we shall be using ChatGPT because it's one of the most popular AI tools you will find out there, and we'll be doing it completely free. You can generate as much as you want in a day for free. So let's jump into that. So remember, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Of course you seek us to share this video for a friend of yours who wants to know how to generate Ghibli image or image art for free using ChatGPT. Tutorial video, we shall be making use of a phone because I believe everyone makes use of a mobile device and everyone stores his or her photo on his mobile device. So that's the reason why I choose to make use of a mobile device. You can also do this on the desktop version using ChatGPT as well. And of course, as you can see, this ChatGPT, I've installed it on this device. So the first thing you need to do if you haven't installed ChatGPT is to go to either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, install ChatGPT as you can see on your phone. And of course, first of all, I'd like to apologize. I'm sitting close to you, fans, so if in case this audio comes out a little bit noisy, I hereby apologize. Please bear with me. So having installed ChatGPT on your phone, the next thing you have to do is to tap on Open ChatGPT, and it's loading. And note, your device, your mobile device needs to be connected to the internet. Yes, it's very, very important, so you have to do that. So this portion, that's where you have to type in your prompt. So while typing in your prompt, you can say you first of all upload the photo. To do that, you see this cross or the plus button that's close to the search bar. You tap on it, then photos, you have to go to your phone gallery and select the exact photo you want to convert. In this case, let me choose this photo. I've selected this photo. I click on done. Just wait for the photo to upload. Okay, as you can see, okay, it has finally uploaded. So once it has uploaded, you now type in your prompt. All you have to do is to say create a Ghibli image from this photo. As simple as that. I think this is the simplest prompt you will find out there. Yes, and it's coming from me. That's why you need to follow us for this channel, because we make things easier. Hit the subscribe button if you've not done that. So once you've hit the prompt, you now send the prompt. And of course, as you can see, this is the original image I sent, and of course that's of me. I was just sitting outside, and it's actually generating. It will take some time to generate based on the, how will I put it, the image you sent. Yes, that will determine how fast it will generate. Let's see. Okay, says creating image may take a moment, so let's see how far it goes. I think I have to, is it necessary? Let's just wait and see how far it goes. If it takes a while, fine, but like I said, it depends on the image you send. If it's a simple image, generating it wouldn't take much time. If it's taking a while, let me pause this video, then I'll come back soon. It actually took some time, so I'm back. As you can see, the image has been finally created. This is the original image, and this is the AI Ghibli image that has been created using ChatGPT. So how do you see it? I think it's kind of cool. Yes, if I want to give it a rating, yes, I'll give it a 10 over 10. So you have seen how easy it is to generate or create a Ghibli image, AI image for free using ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and try it out. And also, once you tried it out, come back to the comment section and tell me, or simply yes, tell me how good or effective it is generating your image. As simple as ABC. So having done that, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you still need more questions, go to the comment section, ask your question, and of course I'll attend to them speedy. And like I said from the start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in case you don't want to miss the next tutorial video that will be coming from this YouTube channel called Blog Infotech. So we'll see you in the next one. Ciao and bye bye for now.